Welcome to another edition of DadGotParks. This time it actually has a box. This is Loki's Scepter from the Avengers saga. I'm very excited about this. Depending on what order you watch these videos in, you might have already seen me unbox the Infinity Gauntlet over there, or this is your first time and you haven't seen that. So after you watch this video, go watch me unbox Thanos' Infinity Gauntlet. Whichever order you watched aside, this is Loki Scepter and it came from Disney's Epcot. This was in the creation store for the launch of the Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. Dad was there on opening day, got to ride the coaster. I have lots of POVs with a couple different songs from riding that ride, but they have all of this awesome Marvel stuff and every Infinity Stone and its holder. They have the Tesseract, they have this, they have a little briefcase that holds all of them except one. The only way to get all 6 stones is to buy one of the gauntlets. They have Thanos and Iron Man gauntlets. But I really wanted this Loki Scepter. The person playing with it looked like they were having so much fun and it looked amazing. Let's get into this thing. Oh, all right. This is a big box. I should tell you, this was $119.99. No annual pass discounts applicable at all. You had to pay full price. Oof, put a lot of these on there. Loki does not want you getting into his scepter. All right, some instructions. Another thing of instructions. Looks like this also takes 3 AA batteries. All right, so far, I'm not finding anything that's gonna fall out on me as I do this. Okay. Are we ready? I thought I was gonna have to build this, but it's all assembled. Ooh, it's got some weight to it. That is nice. Oh, that is very well made. It's plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap, if that makes any sense. There is a little pull tab, which means it has batteries in it, but make sure my Infinity Gauntlet had some issues. Go watch that video and you'll see what I mean. Okay. And I don't know how, but there's 2 of them now. We have another Mind Stone. All right. I don't know where it goes on here. Where do you Mind Stone it at? We've got a button here that doesn't do anything because there's no Mind Stone in it. This looks like a little compartment. Ah ha ha ha, Dad found it. I didn't have to read the instructions. All right. On the side here is a little compartment. Pop that open. In goes your Mind Stone. Oh, yeah. Oh boy. That's nice. I would want to like leave that door off if it was me, but ooh. All right, let's see what this buttons do. We got. Ooh, I like that. I like that. Ooh. Does it have any kind of lightsaber reactions? No, it doesn't do anything with shaking. Just the single button. Oh, wow. All right, let's get this plastic out of the way. I'm gonna need to get some sort of scepter stand. Do they make scepter stands? I don't know. Let's read the instructions and see if it does anything other than what I found it do. What I found it do? Okay. Literally, it says, put the stone in, push the button.
I push the button. I push it. I push it again. I push it again and again and again and again.
Don't overdo it, Plucky. Once is enough.
I want to push the button. Yeah, that's it. Does less than the Infinity Gauntlet, which had like more sounds and things when you did it, but this is super cool. Oh yeah. I just want to keep hitting that button. Oh, so it comes in this Mondo box, which says Loki's Scepter, Scepter de Loki, and that it includes the Mind Stone. It almost has like a wood texture that they've painted onto it. Gosh, I feel like I wouldn't want to, but I kind of would. This would be awesome to give like a proper metallic paint treatment so it was really shiny, and maybe like weather it a little bit a la Adam Savage. But as is, it's super cool. Definitely worth the 120 bucks. And now, if anybody doesn't want to do what you want them to do, you just... Ooh, I have an idea. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. See what I did there? Like I was controlling. Yeah, it's pretty bad. That was a short unboxing because there really was just opening the box and playing with the toy. There was nothing involved with like a lot of rigmarole. If you enjoy toys and Star Wars and Marvel and Disney and parks, check out the channel. Lots of other videos, gauntlets, Dad Got Box unboxings of different things. Plus, I go to the outlets, the Disney Character Warehouse outlets. You might enjoy that. Lots of stuff around here that you might enjoy. I also have memberships where you can win cool things like Loungefly bags, pins, all sorts of stuff, personal shops from Dad. Information on all of that is in the description below. Thank you for watching my video. Dad may try to convince you to subscribe and hit the notification bell, but Dad doesn't do outros, so that's it.